While the stock market continues its drastic roller coaster ride of steep gains and losses, there are some who don't have to worry about whether that volatility is affecting their retirement nest egg. They are the clients of Jacobs Financial Services that promises them that they're not going to lose one penny of their saving. And Tom Jacobs is here to explain how you can do the same. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning.
Oh, my goodness. Is it a case of a bird in the hand is more important than two in the bush?
Well, sometimes, I believe as we get older, we get closer to retirement, it's really important to reduce our risk exposure simply because you might have less time to recover. So as we get older, we got to take less risk. It's just that simple. So our clients generally are not folks in their 20s or 30s or 40s. Those folks have the time to go up and down, in the market. But if you're approaching retirement, boy, I really urge you to get your money in a spot where it's 100% safe, principal protected, you're not going to lose it.
And we do need to talk about that, how you guarantee that they're not going to lose a cent. But that really is, the younger peeps can go for two in the bush. But those guys who are approaching retirement, that one in the hand, you need to protect that.
Amen. Think about this. If you got $100 and bad stuff happens, and now the $100 is $50, well, just to get back to even where you started, you got to get a 100% return on your money. Well, what if you got $100 and you never lose it, not one penny ever, and you can get a slow and steady return? That's going to beat the massive up and downs in the market almost every single time.
And that was my next question, is people obviously get into the market hoping to invest and make money. They want those gains.
Right.
If they do this system with you, can they still make gains?
Well, of course. And it's so hard for people to wrap their brain around what's happening today because we're coming off of the longest bull run ever in the history of the world. And it doesn't matter where you've been invested, you've done just fine. And think of it like this. The momentum was up. It's like we're on a roller coaster. And we've been going up, 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 up for over a decade. Well, in November, we got to the top. And now the momentum is down, and the drivers are pushing us down. Incredible inflation, high interest rates. So my question is, do we get off here? Do we ride it down here? Do we ride it all the way to the bottom? My suggestion, let's get off right now. Relative all-time highs. Let's protect that retirement nest egg. Let's put it in a product where it's 100% safe. You won't lose it. But if the markets pick back up, you get to enjoy some of the up. That product's called a fixed indexed annuity.
And of course, you do get some of those gains. And the trade-off of not getting all the gains is that you don't have anything to lose.
Perfect. Yeah,
right?
That's exactly well said. When the market goes up, you get some of the up, not all of it, but when the market goes down, 100% principal protected, you do not lose your money. Right now, that is the strategy.
I love that. So that principle stays no matter what, because people are concerned about outliving their money.
Exactly. And like we said earlier, if you lose a bunch of money, you just might not have the time to get it back. So
absolutely.
Let's protect what you work so hard to create. That's what we do at Jacobs Financial. We'll put together a roadmap. We'll map out your retirement. Gives you just great peace of mind.
What does that look like for somebody listening right now? What does a retirement roadmap look like?
It looks at, here's where we are today.
Okay.
Here's where we want to get to. And let's look at all of the steps along the way. We call that the roadmap. So those milestones or those steps might be, how do we claim our Social Security? What do we do with our pensions? What do we do with the money in the 401ks, our investments? We kind of put all that together in what we call an income plan, showing people exactly where their income is going to come from in retirement.
And if people are able to move that money out of the 401k into these fixed index annuities, into your system, it kind of gives them a little bit more freedom to do with what they want with their money.
Well, you don't have to be looking over your shoulder wondering what's happening every day because your money is now principal protected. It's safe. It's with an insurance company. It's not in a securities product. It's not in the market. I think it can give you a tremendous peace of mind.
Absolutely. And that's what we want for you. We want to keep your money safe. Jacobs Financial Services. Of course, you've got locations all over West Michigan.
We do. Grand Rapids, Holland, we're all over the place. Physical offices, Kalamazoo, Norton Shores, and Granville.
Yeah, you can't miss them. And of course, you've seen the billboards everywhere. If you want to give them a call and learn more, well, now's a good time to do that. 622-4654. Just pick up the phone at 616-622-4654, or check them out for more information on the website at jacobsfs.com.